Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey, Jerry. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about EV charging stations today. You know, those places where people charge electric cars.
Yes, the future of driving. Good morning, everyone. I'm Tom.
And I'm Jerry. Welcome back to our simple, slow English podcast where we talk naturally like real friends.
Today's topic is actually fun and very useful. How to talk about EV charging stations in English.
Yes, EV means electric vehicle. And many people around the world are starting to use electric cars now.
Which means we need simple English for charging stations, waiting areas, cables, plugs, and all that stuff.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything super simple today.
So, let's start easy. What is an EV charging station?
It's a place where you charge your electric car, just like you charge your phone, but bigger.
Exactly. Instead of filling your car with gasoline, you plug in your car.
In simple English, you can say, I need to charge my car.
My battery is low.
Where is the charging station?
How long will it take?
Is this fast charging?
These phrases are super useful for beginners.
Tom, do you remember your first time using an EV charging station?
Oh, I remember too well. I was confused, very confused.
What happened?
I drove up to the charger, got out of the car, looked at the machine, and said, hello? How do I do this?
Please tell me you didn't talk to the machine.
I absolutely did. I had no idea where to insert the cable. I was turning the cable like a puzzle piece.
Did someone help you?
Yes. A nice lady walked over and said, "Sweetie, just plug it into the hole on the side of your car."
She called you sweetie.
I needed emotional support at that moment.
Okay, listeners, here are simple English sentences you can use. Is this charger available?
How much does it cost?
How long is the charging time?
Do I need an app to pay?
Is this a level 2 charger or fast charger?
The cable is too short.
My car is fully charged.
I'm still charging.
Very easy sentences.
Very natural.
Tom, do you ever get nervous when your battery's low?
Oh, all the time. One day, my battery was at 3%. 3!
Oh no.
My car started saying, "Please charge now, please charge now," like a worried teacher.
That's stressful.
I drove so slowly. No AC, no music, no anything. Just silence and prayer.
Did you make it?
Yes, but the moment I arrived, my battery said 1%.
That's cutting it close.
Very, very close. Let's teach him about charging speed. In simple English, you can say, "This charger is slow.
This charger is fast.
It will take 30 minutes.
It will take 1 hour.
My car charges quickly."
My car charges slowly.
And you can ask, "How fast is this charger?
Is this fast charging?
How many minutes?" See? Very beginner friendly.
Another useful thing is small talk while waiting. People usually wait 10 to 40 minutes.
Yes. And you can say things like, "How long have you been waiting?
Is your car almost done?
The weather is nice today.
Is this your first EV?
Do you like your car?"
These are simple small talk sentences. Tom, do you do anything while waiting?
Yes. I drink coffee. Always.
Always.
Always. I go inside the shop near the charger, buy a big coffee, and sit like a tired movie character.
You have a whole charging station routine.
Yes. Sometimes I talk to strangers. Sometimes I watch people. Sometimes I just scroll on my phone like a potato.
A potato?
Yes, a lazy potato.
I'm learning new food vocabulary today.
Many people also clean their car while charging. You can say, I will clean the windows.
I'm wiping the dashboard.
I'm organizing the back seat.
I'm throwing away trash.
I will vacuum the inside.
That's a great way to pass the time and speak simple English.
What do you do while your car charges, Jerry?
Honestly, play games on my phone.
What kind of games?
Puzzle games, word games, and sometimes farming games.
Farming games.
Yes, I have a whole digital farm with cows, chickens, vegetables.
So while your car is charging, you become a farmer.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's teach some simple English for problems at charging stations. You can say, the charger is not working.
It won't start.
The cable is stuck.
I can't connect.
The app is not loading.
I need help. Or ask someone, can you help me?
Do you know how to start it?
Is this charger broken?
These are very simple and useful.
Have you ever had trouble starting a charger?
Oh, yes. One winter day, the screen was frozen.
Frozen.
Frozen. I touched it, nothing. I pressed it harder, nothing. I tapped it like a confused penguin, still nothing.
So what did you do?
I blew hot air on it like this.
You tried to warm the machine with your breath.
I panicked. But then someone from the station said, dude, just tap the bottom corner.
Did it work?
Yes, immediately.
Technology wins again.
Now let's talk about battery levels. Simple English. My battery is low.
I'm at 20%.
I'm at 50%.
I'm fully charged.
I need more battery.
And asking someone, how much battery do you have?
How long until your battery is full?
Very useful sentences. Parking at charging stations can be tricky sometimes.
Yes. Some people park in the EV spot, but they don't have an electric car.
Oh, that is the EV community's biggest enemy.
Once I said, excuse me, this is for EV cars. And the person said, oh, I'm only parking for 10 minutes.
That's not the point.
Exactly. I wasn't angry. I was just slightly boiling like hot soup.
If you ever need help at a charging station, you can use these simple sentences. Can you show me?
Is this the right cable?
How do I start the charger?
Where do I tap my card?
Do I need to scan this code?
People are usually very nice and helpful. You know, Jerry, learning English at an EV charging station is actually kind of fun.
Yes, because you're waiting anyway. So why not learn some simple English phrases at the same time?
Exactly. It's a real-life situation, not a boring textbook conversation.
Real English, real talking, real moments.
Let's teach some more easy sentences for our listeners. You can say, I'll be here for 20 minutes. I'm still charging. I need a fast charger. This charger is too slow. Is this the right plug for my car? Do I need an account to use this? Can I pay with my card?
And these questions are great for everyday use. How long will you stay? Is your car almost full? Which charger do you use? Is the app working for you? Do you like electric cars?
Very easy. Very natural. Jerry, didn't you once try to use the wrong charging cable?
Oh, yes. I pulled up to the station feeling confident. Too confident.
Uh-oh.
I grabbed the cable, I tried plugging it in, and it didn't fit.
So what did you do?
I pushed harder.
Oh, why do people always push harder?
I don't know. It's a human thing. When something doesn't work, we push harder like cave people.
And did it fit?
Of course not. A guy behind me said, "Hey man, that's the wrong plug."
Poor Tom.
The plug was for a different type of car. So I apologized to the cable for the pain I caused.
Good. Machines deserve respect too. For beginners, here are simple words for connectors. Plug, cable, charger, port, socket.
And simple English sentences. This plug doesn't fit. I need a different cable. Where's the charging port? Is this the correct socket? My car uses a fast charger.
No need for technical vocabulary, just simple, clear English.
Many EV drivers like to chat with each other. So here's simple small talk phrases you can use. Nice car. Is this your first EV? How do you like it? Where are you heading today? This station is always busy.
And polite ways to respond. Thank you. Yes, I love it. It's great. I'm traveling for work. I agree. Let me tell you a rainy day story.
Ooh, this already sounds dramatic.
It was raining heavily. I mean, movie-style rain. I needed to charge my car, so I parked, got out, and instantly got soaked.
Oh no.
I tried holding the cable, but it was slippery. I looked like a confused penguin again.
Do you always look like a penguin in your stories?
Apparently, yes.
So what happened?
A woman next to me said, "Sir, you can stay in your car. The cable reaches."
And?
And she was right. I could have stayed dry the whole time.
Poor Tom, again.
Time is important at charging stations. Here are simple ways to talk about it. It takes 30 minutes. I need 1 hour. I'll leave at 5:30. I have 15 minutes left. My car charges fast. My car charges slowly. And asking someone, "How much time do you need? How long does your car take to charge?"
Very easy English for daily life.
I have a happy charging station story too.
Oh? Do tell.
One time I was waiting and drinking coffee. A guy next to me said, "You look tired. Want another coffee? I have an extra."
Oh, that's sweet.
He gave me a warm cup and said, "Charging stations should be friendly places."
That is the nicest sentence ever.
Yes, we talked for 10 minutes about our cars, our jobs, and life. Simple conversation, but very nice.
That's what real English is. Small moments, small talks, big connection. Let's teach some emotion sentences. You can say, "I'm nervous. My battery is low." "I'm relaxed. I have time." "I'm bored while waiting." "I'm happy. My car is full." "This place is peaceful."
And simple reactions. "Oh, wow. Really? That's funny. That's scary. That's nice."
These phrases make your English sound natural.
Many EV drivers have routines. For example, you can say, "I always check my battery." "I usually clean my car." "I sometimes get coffee." "I never leave the car alone." "I wait inside my car."
Everyday English. Very useful.
One time, I forgot my backpack at a charging station.
Oh no, your real backpack?
Yes, I drove away, and 5 minutes later, I yelled, "My bag!
What was inside?
My laptop, my wallet, my snacks, everything important in life."
Snacks are important.
Yes, I drove back quickly, not too fast, and the bag was still there, sitting next to the charger.
A miracle.
Some charging stations have workers who can help you. Here are easy sentences you can use. Excuse me, I need help. This charger isn't working. Do you have another station? Can I pay here? Is this charger available?
Easy to use in real life.
Tom, if you can't find a charging station, you can ask, where is the EV charger? Is there a charging station nearby? How far is the nearest charger? Can you show me on the map?
Simple, clear, useful.
You know, Jerry, people think EV charging is just about cars, but it's actually about life.
Yes. Waiting teaches patience. Talking to people teaches friendliness. Charging teaches planning. Using English in real places teaches confidence.
Exactly. Real English doesn't come from a classroom. It comes from real moments.
Simple conversations, short sentences, small smiles.
Like asking, "Are you almost done?" Or saying, "Have a great day."
These tiny interactions help you practice English every single day.
So, to everyone listening, remember this. You can learn English anywhere, even at an EV charging station.
Use simple English. Use short sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about being perfect.
A small conversation is still a conversation. A short practice is still practice.
You're doing great. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep growing.
Thanks for joining us today. This was a fun and electric conversation.
Tom, that was a very shocking joke.
I regret nothing.
See you all next time. Bye.